Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use the table view in Clickup. Table view is perfect if you want to see your tasks like a spreadsheet, track details, and even share or export your data. So yeah, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Once it loads, sign into your Clickup account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard. From here, navigate to the space, folder, or list where your tasks are located. Table view works best inside a list, but you can switch any view into a table if needed. Once you're in the right list, look at the top of your task area and click the View dropdown. From the options, select Table. This changes your task layout into a table format with columns for task name, assignee, due date, status, and any custom fields you've added. You can drag columns to reorder them or resize them to see more information at once. To add or edit data in table view, click on a cell and type directly, or select from a dropdown if the column uses options. For example, select a status from the dropdown, pick a date from the calendar, or assign a person to the task. This makes updating tasks faster and keeps everything consistent, especially when you have lots of tasks. Table view also lets you sort and filter tasks. You can sort by due date, priority, or assignee, and apply filters to only see tasks that meet certain criteria. This is great for focusing on high priority tasks or a specific team member's work. Another handy feature is sharing or exporting your table view data. You can share a read-only link to your table with teammates, clients, or stakeholders, or export it as a CSV or Excel file. This is perfect for reporting or updating people without giving full workspace access. Quick tip, create custom columns for any extra information you want to track, like progress percentages, budget, or notes. This makes table view flexible and acts almost like a mini database for your tasks. And that's basically it. Using table view in ClickUp makes task management more visual, helps you organize information efficiently, and allows easy sharing or exporting. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your teammates, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tips. So yeah, hope this helped, and thanks for watching.